What if I told you that one simple hobby could boost your health, save you money, and even help heal the planet? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because I am about to reveal the hidden benefits of growing your own garden that most people never talk about. The secret I'm sharing at the end might just change how you see your own backyard. Gardening isn't just for people with huge yards and green thumbs. Whether it's a few pots on your balcony, a raised bed in your driveway, or a full-blown backyard plot, gardening is accessible to almost everyone. It's more than just putting seeds in the dirt. It's a lifestyle that nourishes your body, calms your mind, and connects you back to the earth. Let's start with you. Did you know gardening is a fantastic form of exercise? All that digging, planting, and weeding burns calories and strengthens your muscles without you even realizing you're working out. But the benefits go deeper than just the physical. In our fast-paced, screen-filled world, gardening is a powerful antidote to stress. Studies have shown that spending just 20 minutes in a garden can significantly lower your cortisol levels that's the body's main stress hormone. It's a natural way to reduce anxiety and find a moment of peace. You're not just growing plants. You're cultivating tranquility. Now, let's talk about food. We're all trying to eat healthier, but it can be confusing and expensive. With your own garden, you are in complete control. You decide what goes into your soil and onto your plants. No mysterious chemicals, no pesticides, just pure, natural goodness. The difference in taste is unbelievable. A tomato picked fresh from the vine is a world away from a store-bought one. Imagine stepping outside to pick the ingredients for a salad that is not only bursting with flavor and nutrients, but is also completely free. It's the ultimate farm-to-table experience right in your own home. Beyond your personal health, your small garden can have a big impact on the environment. Every plant you grow helps absorb carbon dioxide and release fresh oxygen, cleaning the air we breathe. Your garden also becomes a vital sanctuary for pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are essential for our ecosystem. Plus, by growing your own food, you reduce your reliance on produce that's been shipped thousands of miles, cutting down on carbon emissions from transport. It's a beautiful thought, isn't it? Every little garden is a tiny but powerful solution to a massive global challenge. Of course, the practical benefits are a huge plus too. As grocery prices keep climbing, growing your own produce can make a real difference to your budget. A single packet of seeds can yield pounds of vegetables, saving you hundreds of dollars over a season. You become more self-sufficient and less dependent on the supply chain. And if your garden is really productive, you could even share, trade, or sell your extra produce to neighbors, creating a little side hustle from your hobby. Gardening is also a wonderful way to connect with others. It's an activity the whole family can enjoy together, teaching kids valuable lessons about patience, responsibility, and where their food comes from. It can also build stronger community ties. Imagine sharing your harvest with a neighbor or starting a community garden where everyone contributes. It's a simple way to foster connection and create a friendlier, more supportive neighborhood. But now, for that hidden benefit I mentioned at the beginning. The most profound part of gardening isn't the food or the savings. It's the deep, quiet sense of purpose and achievement it gives you. In a world that often feels chaotic and out of our control, nurturing a tiny seed into a thriving plant is a powerful reminder of life's resilience and beauty. Watching something grow because of your care and attention connects you to the natural cycle of life in a very personal, emotional way. You're not just growing plants, you're growing peace, patience, and a deeper sense of happiness within yourself. So, whether you start with a single herb pot on your windowsill or dig up a small patch in your backyard, I encourage you to give it a try. The rewards are more incredible than you can imagine. If you love discovering the simple yet powerful reasons to start a garden, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more eye-opening videos every week. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!